Samsung recently teased a new product, the Galaxy Ring, without divulging much information about it. They presented only a silhouette, leaving us curious and intrigued. However, considering Samsung's recent focus on health products, particularly in sleep tracking, the Galaxy Ring seems to align perfectly with their direction. Samsung has been investing heavily in sleep tracking technology, and the Galaxy Ring, being small and subtle, could offer a more convenient alternative to bulky smartwatches, especially for overnight wear. With its presumed lack of a screen, the Galaxy Ring might boast longer battery life compared to its counterparts, making it ideal for sleep tracking. Before revealing the Galaxy Ring, Samsung rolled out upgrades to their Samsung Health application. These enhancements promise a more personalized experience for users, providing tailored guidance and analyses based on their individual activity and sleep habits. This mirrors the services offered by platforms like Aura. The emphasis on customization and specificity in these enhancements reflects a broader trend towards a more comprehensive approach to well-being. By prioritizing practical suggestions and detailed analyses, Samsung appears to be tapping into a growing demand within the sector for solutions that cater to individual needs and preferences. A high-ranking Samsung official has confirmed that the Galaxy Ring will hit the market in the latter half of this year, coinciding with the Galaxy Watch 7 series launch. This strategic move suggests that Samsung is not only keeping pace with evolving consumer expectations, but also actively shaping the direction of the industry toward a more user-centric model. The positive reception of these enhancements indicates that the market is receptive to such initiatives, signaling a potential shift towards a more personalized and proactive approach to health and wellness technology. As Samsung continues to innovate and refine its offerings, it is likely to maintain its position as a leader in the increasingly competitive landscape of health and wellness technology. As specifics regarding Samsung's Galaxy Ring are still limited, it wouldn't be unexpected if it continues the trend of providing upgraded health monitoring features. With the progression of technology, the incorporation of generative AI into health devices is poised to become increasingly prevalent, empowering users to gain deeper insights and optimize the utility of their health-related information. The introduction of Samsung's latest device at Samsung Unpacked has left us eagerly anticipating further details about the Galaxy Ring and the transformative possibilities it holds for revolutionizing health tracking. Our best guess is that Samsung will price its Galaxy Ring within spitting distance of comparable devices, such as the Oura Ring 3. This makes a cost of around $300 most likely. We're eagerly awaiting more information to understand how this innovation could reshape the way we monitor our health and well-being.